Now, as your school authority, we want to get the whole family ready for the year ahead. Right now is the perfect time to get organized before school begins. Now, if you're not sure where to start, consider your kitchen. Now, here are some real simple tips to help you get that high traffic area in tip-top shape.
To get your home and your family ready for back to school, it helps to organize your kitchen. After all, this is probably one of the busiest rooms in your home, and it's the site of rushed mornings, weeknight dinners, and homework time. Here's how to organize your kitchen so that you feel prepared for the year ahead. So a few weeks before classes kick off, remove everything from the pantry and toss out anything that's expired. Then group together items that you reach for all the time, like after school snacks for the kids. Then repeat this process with the fridge, leaving a shelf or a drawer open that you can stock with cheeses, yogurt, and other lunch staples. On the inside of a cabinet or in the pantry, tape up a cheat sheet for school lunches. Create columns with options for the main course, snacks, fruits and vegetables, and treats. Then let your kids pick one item from each column. That way you always know that they're packing a healthy, balanced lunch. Somewhere in or near the kitchen, set up a spot to collect papers, homework assignments, and schedules. Hang up a chalkboard or a memo board where you can leave family reminders, like who has violin practice after school or when a paper is due. On the weekend, take some time to meal plan and shop for the week ahead. Now, don't get overly ambitious, just stick to recipes that are feasible for a busy weeknight. On realsimple.com, we have dozens of easy dinner recipes that take 30 minutes or less. Before the back-to-school rush starts, consider making some big batch meals that you can freeze for the weeks ahead. Make a batch of tomato sauce and then freeze it in portions, or whip up some chicken noodle soup, lasagna, or chili. Future you will be so glad you did.
That is the most organized refrigerator and freezer I've ever seen.
You know, if I could
That's
prep,
incredible.
she prepped for so far in advance.
Yes.
If I could prep for that much.
Yeah.
If this past 18
Perfect
months have
life.
showed me anything, I prep for like the next 12 hours in advance. Like anything beyond that, it's up in the air. I don't know what's
That's way ahead
happening.
of me.